Hey guys, and welcome back to another epic PC review. Today we have the MSI Claw A1M to review, MSI's latest entry in the handheld gaming world. Now what's special about the MSI Claw is that it has the Intel Core Ultra processor paired with the Intel Arc graphics, one of the first seen in the handheld world. Now this model has the Ultra Core 5 processor, so let's see how it goes in the review. Now before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get more notifications for all things tech from the Epic PC channel. Now without further ado, let's go! Alright, let's begin with the unboxing. So we have the MSI Claw box here. Let's just open it up. So right as you open it up, you'll find the MSI Claw, the actual handheld device itself. And you'll find the charger cables and the quick guides. You'll also find another quick guide here. Now let's take a detailed look at the design and specs of the Claw A1M. So this particular model features an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor paired with Intel Arc graphics, which should provide a balance between performance and power efficiency. It runs Windows 11 Home, ensuring that you have the latest features and updates. The 7-inch FHD touchscreen boasts 120 refresh rates and an IPS panel for vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. With 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of NVMe SSD storage, it promises smooth multitasking and ample space for your games and apps. Now if you're after a model with a bit more power and I guess an oomph factor to it, there is an Intel Core Ultra 7 model available, and there is the choice to upgrade up to 1TB of storage. Now onwards to the make and build quality of the MSI Claw. So the MSI Claw is built with a plastic chassis which is both durable and lightweight. When weighed, the Claw itself came in to be 675 grams, without any peripherals or cases. You'll find the Claw sits in at about 294mm wide by 117mm tall. In addition to that, you'll see that the Claw is 22.1mm at its thinnest point, whilst being 44mm at the thickest. The thickest being where the joystick, shoulder buttons, or some say bumpers, and ergonomic grips sits. When you power on the Claw A1M, you'll notice the RGB lights surrounding the analog sticks and the face buttons come alive. Now the lighting is fully customizable. You can even be synchronized with your music and game audio, which adds a personalized touch to your gaming. Having the option to bring my PC games to handheld has been a game changer. I can finally hole up in bed questing in WoW where my Warlock casts some serious afflictions, play A1M in League of Legends, and even play some hardcore modded Stardew Valley on public transport. Now, to be fair, it does take a bit of getting used to, as you wouldn't really be playing with a QWERTY keyboard, but would likely need to remap your controls for each game. MSI has mentioned a 2-hour block for gaming sessions. Now, I clocked about 2ish hours on Counter-Strike and about an hour and a half on Forza 4. However, this may vary with more or less demanding games like Cyberpunk. Being a portable mini PC, it is always nice to have the option of playing a few games or even browsing the internet and watching videos as you would on a regular PC. This functionality means you don't need to reach for your phone if you want to look up a walkthrough or catch up on social media whilst gaming. You just simply tab out. What I really enjoyed was having the extra buttons that sit on the back of the Claw. Having the additional mapping is great when you want to dish out certain skills or combos without having to press many buttons. Now personally, I enjoy setting the lights to a low hum, where it's a slow change over time so I don't get too distracted whilst trying to survive levels in Hollow Knight. I already have trouble as is. So overall, the MSI Claw A1M offers a solid performance with a snappy UI in an ever-changing, ever-expanding game library. The addition of a mobile gaming library is exciting, as most standard PCs out there will jump through multiple hurdles just to achieve the same feat. So if you want to play your Wild Rift in between sessions of playing League of Legends, you can do that on the Claw A1M. Thank you for watching another epic PC review. Now if you've liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the sections below, and also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications for more tech insights. Now, thank you again for watching and happy gaming!